Learning how to budget is one of the most important money skills you can master as a teen. Budgeting simply means creating a plan for where your money will go each month. It helps you take control of your finances so you can save more and achieve financial goals. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to create your first budget. Here's what we'll cover. Calculating your monthly income. Tracking expenses. Distinguishing needs versus wants. Setting up spending categories. Creating your first budget. Using budgeting apps. Tips for sticking to your budget. Let's get into it. Calculate your income. The first step is adding up all your regular monthly income. As a teen, this may come from a part-time job, allowance, gifts, side jobs like babysitting or tutoring. Total up guaranteed recurring monthly income. Be conservative and don't include sporadic sources. To determine income, add up average hours worked per week. Multiply hours by your hourly pay rate. Multiple weekly income by 4.5 weeks per month. This provides your gross monthly income. Then calculate take-home pay. Subtract estimated taxes. Subtract other deductions. The result is your net monthly income for budgeting. Track expenses. Next, analyze current spending habits. This shows where money goes and helps create a realistic budget. Save receipts and record purchases for 1-2 months. Use a spreadsheet or budget app to categorize spending. Food, groceries, restaurants, snacks. Clothing, shirts, pants, accessories. Entertainment, movies, concerts, games. Car gas, repairs, insurance. Personal care, toiletries, haircuts. Household items, cleaning supplies. Subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify. Debt payments, etc. Add up totals in each category. See where the most money goes. This illuminates spending patterns. Distinguish needs versus wants. An important step is differentiating needs from wants. Needs are essential expenses like housing, utilities, food, transportation, minimum debt payments, basic clothing and insurance. Wants are non-essentials like dining out, entertainment, fashionable clothing, electronics, hobbies, vacations. This helps prioritize needs when budgeting. Set up budget categories. The main budget categories are fixed expenses, same each month like rent. Variable expenses fluctuate like groceries. Periodic expenses occur intermittently like car registration fees. One-time expenses, budget a buffer. Savings 10%, 15% of income. Debt repayments, monthly minimums. Wants, dining, entertainment, etc. Split needs from wants to guide spending allocation. Create your budget. Now it's time to create your first budget. Follow these steps. 1. List your total monthly net income. 2. Make categories for needs, wants, savings, and debts. 3. Assign estimated amounts to each category based on past spending. 4. Align figures to the 50-30-20 budgeting guideline. 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debts. 5. Adjust amounts to match total income. Your complete budget distributes each dollar earned. The goal is to maximize savings and pay needs before wants. Use budgeting apps. Apps like Mint, You Need a Budget, Every Dollar, and Good Budget make budgeting easy. They automatically import transactions, categorize spending, provide reports, and more. Pick one that suits your preferences. Sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is the first step. Actually following it takes discipline. Useful tips include: review budget weekly and adjust as needed. Use your chosen budget app to track every transaction. Note what triggers impulse buys and reduce those situations. Automate savings transfers so money is set aside effortlessly. Build budgeting habits through consistency over time. Ask family to help hold you accountable. Budgeting is a learned skill. Stick with it through ups and downs. Consistency pays off over time. I hope this overview helps you create and manage your first budget as a teen. Please let me know if you have any money questions in the comments. Now get out there and start budgeting. You've got this. Thanks for watching.